Hello everyone and welcome back to your piano lesson. If you are here for the first time, I am Gianluca Fronda, your virtual piano teacher. If you want to discover interesting facts about me, you can watch the introduction video of this channel. I'm leaving the link in the description of this video, where you will find also the link for my artistic channel, Gianluca Fronda, pianist and composer, if you're interested in original music and covers. Talking about this channel, don't forget to subscribe and let me know about yourself by commenting. Tell me when you have started, if you're finding my channel interesting and you're improving your skills also thanks to my videos. And don't forget also to share with your friends if there is anybody interested in piano music, anybody that you know. So now time to go to our lesson. Today it's time for me to play for you Chord Capers. We are on page 30 of the John Thompson Thesis Piano Course Part 3. This obviously is the first piece straight after the two interesting chapters, the chord building and the inversions on page 28 and 29. I hope that you have watched the tutorial, the video where I explain what are the chords, how you make the chords, and also the inversions. Here you use simply the chord in the root position. It's a very interesting one where you are going to use to play the C major chord in root position, the F major chord in root position, so C major, 2 bars, F major chord in root position, these 2 bars, G major chord in root position in these 2 bars, again the C major chord 1 octave higher. Here we are starting from the middle C. In these 2 bars, the 3rd and the 4th of the second line, we are playing the C major chord 1 octave higher. This is the middle C, this is the following octave. Then here we are going to the left hand, the C major chord in the octave straight to the left of the middle C. So this is the middle C. The chord will be played exactly here in 2 bars. Then we have F major chord in 2 bars. The top note is the middle C, as you can see. G major, just 1 step higher. And the C major chord, again 1 octave higher. If compared to the start in this octave, it is on the left side of the middle C. You are going here with the left. It's exactly the same position played now with the left of the first 2 chords, the first 2 bars played by the right. Let's play first of all now at higher speed, and then I will play at slower speed. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It's not easy, I understand. Before playing it at slower speed, I want to, as usual, give you some advice, some tip related to the way you can study and how you can improve the performance. So, first of all, let's try to understand the first 2 bars. The first 2 bars are quite easy because once you have placed the hands in position, you don't need to move anything. So, and in this way you have played the first and the second bar. Now, when you start the 3rd bar, you can slowly get ready, moving the little finger of the left closer, yeah, because you have the G played by the thumb in the 2nd bar, and then the F will be played by the little finger in the 3rd bar. This is what will happen in the left. Obviously you will place the hand according then to the position, relaxed position with the F on with the little finger on the F, 3rd on A, and the thumb on the middle C. The right hand from here has to move straight on in block to the F major. So, chick, chick. Practice as much as you can these moves. These big jumps obviously need to be prepared, yeah? Now let's see how we can move from the 2nd to the 3rd bar. 2nd bar. This is what you can do. Prepare many times. Get ready first with the single hands, and then hands together. Luckily the and move to the first and second bar of the second line is easier, because we have to simply move one step to the right cheek. So you can do with the left, simply moving a little bit the little finger from the F to the G and adjust then the position. And the right hand is a simple step, yeah? Now again one big jump from the second bar of the second line to the third, where you simply have to move the little finger from the G to the middle C that was played by the second. Et voila! Remember that you have to imagine that you go where it was the second finger, yeah? Regarding the right hand, you have to simply jump from the G to the C. This moves as much as you need. I'm going to play now from the first bar of the second line up to the fourth bar. Et voilà, now this is a very interesting point where you have to fly with the right hand from the thumb. So with the right hand thumb, you have to fly with the right hand thumb from the C on the right side of the middle C down to the middle C, and the left hand that was here has to go down one octave. So everything is moving down one octave in block. Here, bum. Okay, so obviously the first one flying might be the right, and then the left follows. Let's check. Make this exercise many times, as much as you need. Now playing the fourth bar and the fifth bar in this way. Again. And obviously once you have reached this position it's quite easy. Again, same story, exactly like you did with the left. Now take the thumb up to the F and adjust the position. You do the same with the left, because you have to move now from C major to F major, C major, F major. Playing now the last two bars of the second line and the first two of the third. Now it's easy because you have to simply make one step to the right. And now you don't have to worry that much about the right hand, because you're going to play the C in the second last bar with a fourth, and you have to simply jump, fly up with left hand from the G major to the C major. And voila, now I can play it slower. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. When you have the melody in the left, because even though this is a broken chord, the one that you play on the left, on the right are stationary chords, these ones in the left are broken chords over two bars, let the broken chords dominate. So this, the left hand should be the loudest one, and here should be, from the second last bar of the second line, should be the right hand, the loudest one. Because the chords in general are much more accompaniment, harmony. The melody, even though it's made using broken chords, is definitely this one in the left here and then here in the right. Okay, practice more and more the big passages from one position to another one in blocks of 2 bars always. Each 2 bars you have a change of hand position. And that's it. I hope that it's enough. Obviously, if you have any question, feel free to comment to let me know. If you didn't watch the tutorial where I explain the chord building and the inversions. This chapter regarding the inversions on page 29 will be definitely useful when you will study the one on page 31, the broken chord etude. Anyways, I keep saying, if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment to let me know. how it's going, if you want any extra explanation. And if it's the first time you're landing on my channel thanks to this video, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye, thank you.